Mommy sees this, you guys are going to be in trouble. Go for it.
Are you going to shower it?
Look at Ray Ray. Whoa. Okay, watch out. Watch out for her. You don't want to run her over. Go for it.
This is my professional.
Go.
This is my professional. Now I'm going to do skipping.
Uh-oh. Ray, go for it. Go. Not over to me, silly.
Ray,